Hey interwebs, welcome to Hammered Steel, and I'm Mark, aka The Hammer. Hi, I'm Daisy. Dad said don't forget to hit subscribe, like, and comment. Thanks. See you later. Hey everybody. Normally I don't do unboxing videos, but I've been waiting for this for about a month and I'm pretty excited about it, so I thought I'd share it with y'all. Shazam, they used enough tape. All right. Scales. Got a nice purple. Another purple. This one here is pretty cool. Nice little black. Another purple. Guess you can tell I like purple. Got some that were greens. Another reddish purple. I was kind of excited about these two. This one's really awesome. I don't know, we'll see about this one. Kind of light, but it'll do. Green. Another green. Another green. This one's got some cool patterns. And the last one. Greens, grays. This one's for here. So they're all stabilized. I'm gonna get a little shaky here because I'm gonna take the camera off the tripod. So you get a good view of them. I think they're going to make some good looking handles. This one here isn't showing up real good in the light. Come on, focus. Darn camera. This one I really like. This one's pretty unique. So, look forward to using some of these and some of the next builds. Thanks for watching. If you like this, The company is called Knifewood. I believe he's in Russia. So if you like stuff like this, just realize that you're not going to get it in a week. Took about a month for it to get here, but looking at the stuff I ordered, right now I'm thinking it was well worth the wait. Thanks.